Amazing facts about bee hummingbird. Welcome to the fascinating world of the bee hummingbird, the smallest bird on Earth. Weighing less than a dime, they're a marvel of nature. These tiny wonders, native to Cuba, are incredibly vibrant, sporting iridescent feathers that shimmer in sunlight. Their size doesn't slow them down. They beat their wings 80 times per second, reaching speeds of 30 miles per hour. Their diet? Nectar from 1,500 flowers daily. But they also eat insects for protein, showcasing a balanced diet. Despite their size, they have a big impact. By pollinating plants, they play a crucial role in our ecosystem. Discover the mighty bee hummingbird.